What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to give you some examples regarding dividing square roots. The first example is root 6y to the power of 5 divided by root 2y. Now I can use quotient property of exponents, which will saying that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. So it will be, the answer is, it's going to be root 6 divided by root 2 is going to be root 3, and root 5 divided by y is going to be y to the power of 5 divided by y is going to be y to the power of 4, so square root of y to the power of 4 is going to be y square. So the answer is y square root 3. Next example, we have root 12r cubed divided by root 6r. Answer is root 12 divided by root 6 is root 2. Root r cubed divided by root r is going to be root r squared. So it's going to be r times root 2. So it's going to be r root 2. Next example. We have root 14 p to the power of 9 divided by root 2 p to the power of 5. Answer is root 14 divided by root 2 is going to be root 7. Root p to the power of 9 divided by root p to the power of 5 is root p to the power of 4. And root p to the power of 4 is p to the power of 2, root 7. Then next example is root 72 x to the power of 3 divided by root 162 x. Answer is root 72 is the same as root 36 times root 2 root x to the power of 3, and here 162 is 81 times 2, so it's going to be root 81 times root 2 times root x. So root 2 and root 2 cancel out. Root 36 is 6. Root 81 is 9. Root x to the power of 3 divided by root of x is going to be root of x to the power of 2, which is going to be just x. And then when you simplify, it's going to be 2x divided by 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.